Hey guys, just wanted to share the first video of our sort of intro to coding series, and this will be introducing variables to you. Now, a variable is basically just a way to store information, and it's your first step into learning programming. Now, if you go to your scripts, now how we make a variable is we just want to keep it inside this local script. So we just want to say local, first of all, to keep it inside this script file. Then we want to name the script. Now, this is if variables are like cookie jars, biscuit tins, they store things in, the very first thing we need to do is sort of put a name on it. So we should always name it what that's doing. So I'm just going to call this one part. And then we need a math symbol, so we need equals, which means is at. And then we just want to say script dot parent to grab this script and then go to its parent part here. And that now gives us all of these properties. Now, what this is everything to do with this part here. So if you wanted to, what you could do here is you could change the color. Like that. Or you could make it go transparent, make it invisible, and a few other things. Now, we're going to be doing this inside the actual code itself. So first thing you're going to have to do is if you want to select any of the properties of this part, all of these properties are going to be stored in this variable, so inside this cookie jar, basically. So if you want to get something from this cookie jar, you first need to say the name of the cookie jar, which in this case is part. And then you come here and think of this as routing through a celebrations tin at Christmas or a biscuit selection. The first thing you've got to do is tell Roblox Studio which biscuit you're hunting for. So the first thing you want to do is you say the name of the biscuit tin, so the name of the variable, and then you say dot, and then you want to say what property you're looking for. So in this case, we're looking for transparency. Now that we found that, we want to then say how we want to change it. So we're just going to say equals, and then we're going to set this to 1. And let's test that, and that should now have disappeared. Now it's still there, but it's now completely disappeared. So that is how you would create variables and how you would then use variables inside Roblox Studio. Now your challenge here is, can you change the material of this? So it's going to be done in the same way. So you would say part dot material equals, and then you have to do speech marks, and then whichever material from here you want to change it to. So for example, I'm just going to say ice here, but you have to spell it in exactly the same way as here. So any capital letters have to be capital letters. So I'm just going to remove that back to 0, just so we can see this. Let's have a look. Well, and that is now ice. Perfect. Now, please stay tuned for part 2, and please check out our Roblox coding group where we go through all of these concepts, an introduction course, and we show off some student projects and things like that. So I will see you in the next one.